BJP can misconstrue the AICC president's statement any way they want to. That's something that they're good at. Whether we like it or not, the data speaks for itself. Kerala is indeed one of the more progressive and prosperous. The people of Kerala are some of the most literate people in the country. And Mr. Kharge said you cannot fool them for long. You have fooled them for 10 years. And now everybody, the people of Kerala are seeing through your design. LDF and BJP are together in the Sabrimala case and in the other cases, and we are seeing how the Prime Minister does not speak on the Chief Minister of Kerala and the Chief Minister of Kerala does not speak on the Prime Minister of India. So it is very understandable they are hand in glove, and that's all he meant. And like I see, BJP is good at this, right? Calling black white and white black, and that's all they're doing very clearly. The President of United States has told over 30 times saying, I got the ceasefire. Our question was very simple. Have a discussion in Parliament. Tell us what happened. We are going to back the government of India to the hilt when it comes on national security. Who is the President of United States to tell us Indians that there is a ceasefire? And has the Prime Minister or any of his cabinet colleagues cross-verified that or has told that no, what Trump is saying is lies? Not one single time. This shows that the foreign policy is in disarray and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has completely surrendered. He's outsourced the foreign policy of the country to his American friends.